Mashile, Office of Academy, policy, so I do policy, criminal policy development for the whole of KZN government.
Right. Siyabona namhlanje ukuthi there's different foundations and Kuni in Ghana as well. And ngesikhathi ukukhuluma you mentioned the importance of education. Can you please just touch on that?
Education ibalulekile because ikunikeza i-foundation ukuthi whatever that you aspire and dream of, ifundisa discipline, ukwazi ukuthi ma unesikhathi sokufunde ma unesikhathi sokuthi relax because isikhathi time it's our wealth. So ma uinvest isikhathi ekufundeni ngempela pay off. So njengoba I was sharing mina ngafunda and azange ngiyilapho so ngina masters in development economics next year ngenze i-doctorate khona so kubalulekile ukuthi uyinikele and the picture about education is that I discriminate now isikhathi wayinikeza isikhathi it will definitely pay.
Now you also mentioned the importance of nurturing the creative spirit of our young minds, and you also mentioned now yourself you do poetry. What can you say to parents about the traditional way they should aspire to be doctors, teachers? What can you say to encourage abazali ukuthi basaphothekane in their creative arts?
So if you look at our brains are divided into two. The left brain is the right brain. So you can't separate either one. So the right brain is for analytical analysis, reasoning, etc. The left brain is more creative, in tune with feelings, cultural expression. So we need both. We need both the creative and the technical, analytical. So that's why bank is the real end in Ghana, encourage bakwazi to express themselves culturally, dance, poetry, drama, etc. Because what it does, it helps them to develop life skills. Basically, bakwazi to relate about to different cultures, different countries, because the foundation is strong. If you just want to be an artist, something else, but when you get the space to be well-rounded, that's important.